Haka jing syam bat ka jing kiu jong ki jing jia ki wasngusi kham tam bat ki khana ki bajulong ki lanot haka jing sha tanra kali ni haki tok tok ka child friendly Shillong ka wei na ki tanat trekam jong ka Bosco Integrated Development Society lani ka bits ka ba pet ba Kmie ya ka bha ka myat ki khana hanong ba ka lawanra ya ka mat road safety ka balong ka badon kam bha ban tip kham tam ban pen kan mau ya ki bala he lasan halor komno ban ya da ya la ki Khun na ki jing jia accident kali yakani ko kom perkhat pan kran halor ka jingdon kam ban ai jing yadai ki khana la panlong hadien ka jing mer jing mut bat ka kunhon jongki kumta ha ka step jong ka khatwei tari uno pra arja arpulai kala panlong ka jing ai jing ka yakin nong lek nong wan yakin nong nya kali yaki khana bat ki bala he lasan hasilantar ki surak na gari khana salai mkhra Don Bosco Square bat kumjo ru na nong thamai sa Don Bosco Square Hagani ka program IG kai la sakhi ya jingwan snok ti lang daki khana puli jong ka PSW na Indian Institute of Professional Studies but Martin Luther Christian University. Habakran sigilat pathai kubor na kalyang uway ni gidkot ka child friendly Shillong ulapan pau ya ka jing thrang ban yo I baki Kmie ki pa ki dei ban perkhat ya ka bha ka myat ki Khun ban sudeng helmet tang bating yo sa bat aki pulit ban perkhat ru tang na kalyang ka an Henry na kalyang ka bha ka myat ki khana.
We are from Child Friendly Shillong. So it's a project under Bosco Integrated Development Society. So as the name suggests, Child Friendly Shillong. So we want to make our city more friendly towards children. So we have with us students from Indian Institute of Professional Studies and Martin Luther Christian University. They are all social workers, and we came together. We did a lot of brainstorming, and what we found out that one of the very important issue, but not highlighted one, is road safety for children. And we discussed a lot, and then we discussed about the issues together, and we felt that it is very important to create awareness. As we see, there are many parents dropping the children to school. Parents are wearing helmet, but children are not wearing helmet. So this is actually not safe. And even by law also, there is a penalty, but people are not aware of this. So we want to go from a legal point of view as well as from moral point of view. So we want to educate educate the people of our city. We don't say that they are not aware. They are very much aware. But we just want to ignite that feeling inside them that yes, we have to keep our children safe on the street. So that is the reason why we are doing this a small initiative in collaboration with IIPS, MLCU, and we are very thankful to SP Traffic of East Castles of Shillong. They have also collaborated with us for this particular activity. So for this year, we are doing it in a small way. We will see how impactful it is, and if it brings results, definitely we'll be moving ahead with this activity every year. And we want to make sure that our streets are safe for adults, most importantly for children. So through your medium, we want to request you to please keep our streets safe, ride safe, be aware about the traffic rules, follow traffic rules, and let's make our streets safe for everyone and for children. That's all.
Shusho na kalyang ki samla puliru kila panpau ki Jingsngewkhia lor ka jing I jong ki ya ki nong lek on school ki Pyndeng helmet tangela di kat ba ya la ki Khun la jong pan.
Jing tay jong I kani ba le awareness kumni kadai ba nakabanta jong ki kena ki padba banyak kali basnya skuti namati bon ki bam tip ramai rules Niah na natai nok mai sini mati na bakin bangin yo sam pamphlets kan ba dan ki jingko ma bakin itu kuno ba kumki khulung ru ki di ban thong helmet lang bosong skuti ban la di mansau ma mal accident ta ngin la ban tip kan no kapua kala banja kala banlong kapha banlong aware sama itu ban klang ki kena ru bakin la na ki mansau itu katahi ka kejimut demi banyak kan ka awareness semua
nilai akan ka awareness program entah bangin penong aware ki breu bakin tip ki rules Shaka traffic ba kai long kunjut nak menda kini ki banyak kali Shaka kunjut bad yang ki breu ki banyak taru dia singkit bad khantam kawai ka long ba bun sin yu ki khana ki Kmie ki pa ki pensang ki long jo ki Haba ki bike ki scooty tamba ki yala di ki pun helmet de ki long ki helmet de ka bahar manta pula etep ba ka bahar ni pun thong helmet ki long jo ki na marba kan long si ta manta ki Khun jo ki pa 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 pa